What's up, guys? It is Cedar, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make really easy panels that you can use on your Twitch that will look really great and cohesive with your branding so that everything seems to flow very well. It's really easy. It's a free service online. It's called canva.com, and it's wonderful for people who are kind of creative and know what they want but don't know how to use the tools in Photoshop. This is a great beginner editing software. I don't think that is great to do everything in, but it is a great easy tool that will get you started. So the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to go over to canva.com and register for an account. If you use the link in the description, you can get free credits on canva.com that you can use for some of their paid features. Then you're going to select create a design and then custom size. With Twitch's panels, they have to be 320 pixels by 160 pixels. So if you put these in, it'll be the perfect size to place into your panels. That way you have no issues. So when you put those dimensions in, you will get the screen that looks like this. It will populate with some design templates, but we're going to go ahead and create our own. So I'm going to first start with the background for mine, which I'm just going to show you how I made mine. I'm going to go ahead and paste this color in there. It looks black, but it is actually this color that Twitch is. So you can see that this is black, true black, and then this is kind of like a grayish black. So we're gonna go ahead and use that. I just did that because I like the cohesiveness. I don't like, different color backgrounds, and I like that it's kind of subtle and you can see the trees, which is my design. So from there, I went ahead and I went to the Elements tab, and I think I just typed in tree. And it's going to load all of these different elements. You can see that some of them are pro. It's going to probably show me mostly pro ones, but there are some free ones. And you can use that credit that you're going to get if you use that link in the description to go ahead and purchase some of these for absolutely nothing. Let's see if I can find the one. All right, so I found this one, which is pretty much it, but this one right here is the full version of it. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and I just put it over to the left-hand side and drag it across and make it the whole side. This is just, how I wanted it. So I went ahead and bam, and then I put it right in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and find some text. So as I was scrolling through here, I could not find the one because they repopulate with newer ones every day. So I couldn't find the one that I use, but I know the name of it. So we're going to go ahead and do subheading. We're going to type in about, oops, and then we're going to go up here and we're going to select Amsterdam 2, which is the font that I used in the first round. So I like that font a lot. We're going to make it big. And I made it so that the A pretty much went from top to bottom without going over, like that. So I got it to the size that I want it, and I'm going to snap it to the middle, which are those pink lines. However, this font is basing it off of the lowercase letters. So the vertical line is not going to be exactly middle. So I basically just tried to find where I liked it, where the A was in a good spot. So I liked it about there, and then so I'm going to go ahead and change the color of it. So I already have my brand colors here, which is a pro feature as well. But if you guys know what colors you like, say you wanted it to be purple, you can make it purple, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with the green that I have. So then I went into effects, and we're going to go with the shadow feature. And then I made this honestly a teal color because I'm trying to add more teals into my brand. And then we're going to have that color right there. And it's going to look great. And there's the about section. So now you can go up to duplicate page, and it's going to copy everything that you have on there. So now all you have to do is change the text and make sure that it fits well. So we're going to make this one Discord. And as you can see, the D is probably going to be a little bit too big. So we're probably going to have to make this a little bit smaller. And we can make just the D a little bit smaller. So now I have my Discord one, and if I wanted to, I could go ahead and add the Discord element. or the Discord logo from Elements. And so there's the Discord logo, it's loading. And if I wanted to, I would probably put this down here maybe. And I'd probably make this white so it popped. Now, something that I like to do is, in order to keep it cohesive with the rest of it, I would probably copy, so Control C and then Control V, and we're going to place that right over each other, and then we're going to make one of them a little bit bigger, and we're going to make it a different color. So let's go black for the back one, make it just a little bit bigger, and then we're going to right click, send to back, and then even though it's hard to see on this, but you can see the little bit of the outline around it. That just makes it pop off of the back of the page just a little bit so that it isn't just a white thing on there. Or we could honestly make this cohesive with the rest of our colors as well, and then we can just send it backwards like that, so that there's that other little bit of green in there as well. And then when you're done with all of them, you'll just go ahead and click that download button. And it'll download, and then you can just upload them right here. Bang, boom. And now you have cohesive panels that'll match the rest of your brand. If you guys like this video, make sure that you guys like and subscribe. It'll really help me. And in the comments, let me know what other editing softwares or videos that you would want to see in the future. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.